What is up, guys? Welcome to Hodlers and Traders Hub, the home of simplified crypto and forex content. So basically today is another week 2 of buying our prop firm and then trading it, and I want to basically touch on the trades that I took this week, which is like the last week in September. So the trades that I took, the gains we made, run you through the updates and the kind of stuff we're looking at and how we took and why we took those trades. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. If you like crypto, if you like forex content, also you can join us on Twitter and then give us a follow out there on Twitter. And our Discord is also very much free. We share insightful content, chats and stuff like that in our Discord server. So basically, without much ado, let's just jump into this week's trade, week 2 of trading our prop firm challenge, and let's see how we did. So what's up, guys? This is the trade that I'm looking out for on USD CAD. Currently USD CAD is currently in a big downtrend, and to me this is like some kind of pullback just for price to go back again. Although it's changing structure, it's breaking higher highs and stuff like that. So there's also the potential that price could go somewhere, react somewhere around this level, and then come all the way down here, maybe react somewhere here before coming all the way back down. But I'm looking at taking a shot around this level. I'm seeing a couple of rejections around this level, so I'm looking to take my shot. And as usual, you guys know I'm taking my shots on a fib, so I'm putting 2 entries, one here and the next one here, and I'm taking 1% on each of the trade. So if this goes to TP, this is going to be 2.4, which is $50 on the account per trade. So $50 is probably going to give me around 125, something like that. And if price hits this if price goes and picks this second entry, this is around 1:4. So that means $50 is potentially going to give $200. So these are the 2 levels and the 2 entries I'm looking at to take the trade. I'm expecting a reaction somewhere around this level, this level. Maybe price comes, like I said, price comes all the way down here and maybe reacts a little bit before coming maybe all the way down here, or we just change. So these are the levels that I'm expecting price to react for USD CAD. The dollar currently is very strong, and most of the currencies have been falling, but USD CAD has not been that. It's currently rejecting. It's currently rejecting currently. So I'm looking to take a shot here, and I'll see you guys on the next update. So guys, this is how the trade is so far. I just came on the chart now, and currently USD CAD has been dumping. Remember, we started buying USD CAD somewhere around here, and now price is currently dumping, and it is almost hitting our TP. It's almost hitting our TP. So we'll just see how this trade does along the way, and I expect it to hit full TP without any stress, without any problems mostly, and then we should keep going. So we are currently up on our accounts, and then I'll see you guys when we finally hit TP, and I'll be back. So what is up, guys? So this is a trade that I took on my prop firm account, the dollar Swiss trade. So this entire week the dollar has been like super strong. So all the dollar pairs that have been correlated directly have been pumping, and then Euro USD, GBP USD, all the currencies against the dollar have been dumping. So the dollar has been like super strong. So this is the dollar Swiss trade. I couldn't record the before of this trade. I think I was quite busy when I took this trade. So I just came on the PC9. I'm seeing that it's moving. So what I saw here was I was seeing like this is obviously an uptrend. So the price is still technically in an uptrend, like a very strong uptrend. This can just be a minor pullback and then continue again, or we might just break. So what I saw was once I saw that there was consolidation around this level, the buyers were beginning to lose momentum around this level. So I just saw I went on a 4-hour time frame, and then 1, 2, 3 green candles were all engulfed by this selling pressure. So I saw this engulfing, so I took a first entry here. As usual, you guys know that I always like to set 2 entries So this is my second entry, so I'm just popping up my second entry. You guys know I like to set 2 entries, so I took my first entry right at the edge of the trend line and the second entry here. So I want to be totally invalidated if price comes here, as you guys know. So I took my first sell around this level, and price, let me just switch back to the 1 hour time frame, and price picked up and then dumped, made a lower low. It broke this structure, it broke this low, and then it made a lower low, and then of course there was a little pullback before, or we call a retest, to retest that this is a strong area where there will be sell pressure, before eventually it started dumping to the downside. So what am I seeing right now? Let me just take off this other short. This other idea. Okay, so this one did not. So what am I seeing right now? I'm looking, this trade is like a 1:3. So 1:3.3. So I'm looking at, I put in 0.5 into this trade, so I put in $25 into this trade. So I'm going to end up probably with a little above $75 in this trade. So that's because I'm also in another trade which I showed earlier in the morning. So I didn't want to risk too much, so I just put in 0.5 into this trade. So if this had been validated, my 2 trades that I placed would be invalidated at 1%. But currently we are riding in profit, and I expect price to come all the way down to this level. So this is the level I'm going to be taking profit at. And what is going to happen is what is potentially going to happen, I don't know what's going to happen. Maybe what potentially going to happen, price might come here, maybe consolidate a little bit and then break, maybe do a retest and then dump down all the way here. I don't know, that's probably what's going to happen. Or price might even just choose to come all the way down and then continue to make its move to try to test the highs again. I don't know what's going to happen. We'll just see what price wants to do when it gets there. So for now, I'm going to be taking my profits around this level, and I'll be a 1:3 trade. So we'll just see how it goes once price gets here to this level. Okay, welcome back, guys. So as you well know, our trade on the USD Swiss trade has smashed TP, like smashed TP beautifully, and this is a 1:3.3 trade. So I put in like 0.5% of my account, which is like $25. So this is around $75 and a little coins thereabout. So we've smashed TP beautifully. Today is Friday, so I'm not going to be taking any more trades. I'm just going to wait till next week. Let's just pop and look at our USD CAD trade that we also took, our shots that we took on USD CAD, and this also hits our TP very, 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 very beautifully. This hit our TP very beautiful. I have this triangle here because, as you know, I'm using fibs to like mostly trade this prop firm. So if I pull a fib from this level, technically we're still in an uptrend. So I expect a reaction somewhere around here, and you can see this reaction happen. This happened on a Friday, and I think there was a bit of news and stuff like that. I wasn't going to be trading this. I wasn't going to be taking that long and all of that. So I've taken my profit off this. This was like, I put in 1% into this trade. So this was around, I took some profit along the way. So I also made some gains in this entire account. Let's just take a look at our gains I posted on Twitter. If you're not following me on Twitter, just follow at Hodlers Lab, or Hodlers, look for Hodlers and Traders Hub, and follow, and let's interact and then engage. Yeah. So talking about our trading journey so far, we have an average of $66. Average loss of $1.87, which was as a result of opening a bad lot size, and I had to close it and then take it again. So we had an 80% win rate so far because of this minor loss that we have here, and our profit factor is up there too. So currently we've done almost 64% of the profit targets on our $5,000 challenge. This is around 100. We have $143 left to smash this, and hopefully by the grace of God we are going to do this by next week, hopefully, or anytime we do it, There's no rush, there's no pressure, no time limits. Prop firm, remember, if you have not watched the review of the funding pip trading, the funding pip prop firm, you should check it out. I have it in my video log, so you can just check it out. I can even link it in the video description below. So basically, currently we started trading this. This is a first week of officially trading this account. It's like 7 days officially trading this account. So I've taken 2 trades technically, because I mean, not much trading. I think like 1 or 2 trades every week. Like this week I took 2 trades. So USD CAD and then USD Swiss francs. So basically, on the 21st we started, and then 29th. So both weeks we made profits, and we are currently up like $250 something on our account. So we just have a little more to go into this challenge. So let's just see what the next week is going to produce, and let's see how it goes. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like the videos, engage, share with someone. I'm going to be dropping more updates week upon week upon week until we pass this challenge and know how it feels like to take a prop firm account from zero to get funded. So also, if you're not in our Discord, I'm going to be linking I'm going to put in a link in the description. So till the next one, thank you for watching. God bless and peace. I'm out.